Hi, I'm Mr. Traffic Rules and today we'll look into this situation. Not familiar with the rules of the road? That can be a serious mistake. In this lesson, we will analyze a situation at an uncontrolled intersection and determine who should have the right of way. Today's task is useful for both experienced drivers and beginners. Imagine a scenario where three cars approach an uncontrolled intersection at the same time. Each vehicle plans to turn left, and our goal is to determine which one should proceed first. Answer choices: keycap 1 red car, keycap 2 blue car, keycap 3 white car, keycap 4 passing by mutual agreement between drivers. Analyzing the situation, before determining the correct order of passage. We need to understand what type of intersection we are dealing with. Intersections can be classified into two types: controlled, with traffic lights or road signs, and uncontrolled, where there are no signals or priority signs. In our case, the intersection is uncontrolled, meaning there are no traffic lights, regulatory signs, or traffic officers. All roads have the same pavement, indicating they are of equal priority. According to traffic regulations, at an uncontrolled intersection, a vehicle on the left must always yield to a vehicle approaching from the right. However, in our situation, all three cars intend to turn left, creating equal conditions for each driver. This means none of them has a clear priority over the others. How to handle this situation? Since there is no defined priority, drivers must communicate with each other to decide the order of passage. The best way to resolve this situation is by using hand gestures or eye contact to indicate intentions. One driver may politely yield to another by signaling that they are willing to wait. It is essential to remain calm, alert, and courteous to avoid confusion or conflict. Correct answer: white heavy checkmark, passing by mutual agreement between drivers. If you chose this option, congratulations, you have a solid understanding of safe driving principles. Automobile: remember, when approaching an uncontrolled intersection, always reduce speed, assess the traffic situation, and communicate with other drivers if necessary to ensure a smooth and safe crossing. To learn more about traffic rules and improve your driving skills, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more lessons. Wishing you safe and confident driving. Vertical traffic light.